Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we break down the best in innovation for your home, health, and even your pets. Today, we're looking at what might be the best dog running machine on the market, the KDSOM dog treadmill for medium and small dogs. If you've ever felt guilty for missing your dog's daily walk due to weather, work, or time constraints, this product may be the solution. This indoor dog pacer treadmill is designed for dogs weighing up to 220 pounds, and it brings the outdoors, right inside your living room. Let's start with the build quality. The KDSOM treadmill features a strong metal frame and compact design. The overall dimensions come in at 46 inches deep, 51 inches wide, and 26 inches tall. It's robust but doesn't feel bulky, and it only weighs about 4 kilograms. What stands out is the 4-layer running belt that offers excellent shock absorption and anti-slip surface. This is crucial. Your dog's joints, especially if they're older, need that cushion for safer, more comfortable exercise. Now, if you're short on space, this treadmill really shines. It's foldable, which means you can slide it under the bed, tuck it in a corner, or even roll it behind a couch. Yes, it has built-in wheels for mobility, making setup and storage a breeze. The safety features are just as impressive. It operates ultra-quietly, ideal for anxious or skittish dogs, and comes with a remote control for distance operation. There's also an emergency stop button and safety key, ensuring your pet's well-being is always a priority. Side fences keep your dog focused and centered, which is great for beginner treadmill users. From a health perspective, this machine is a game-changer. Regular use helps boost your dog's circulation, build muscle, regulate blood pressure, and speed up metabolism. In short, it's not just about burning energy, it's about building a healthier, happier dog. One of the most appealing aspects is customization. You can set time, distance, and calorie goals, and it even comes with 12 preset programs. Whether your pup is a high-energy sprinter or a mellow walker, you can tailor the workout accordingly. The maximum speed is 10 kilometers per hour, which is more than enough for most small to medium breeds. And let's not forget, the treadmill is designed specifically for indoor use, so whether it's pouring outside or freezing cold, your dog's routine never has to skip a beat. With a price tag of $289.99, plus a shipping and import fee for international buyers, it's definitely an investment. But when you weigh that against vet visits from joint issues, behavioral problems from lack of exercise, or the guilt of not getting in enough walks, it starts to feel like money well spent. For pet owners who want consistency, flexibility, and a healthier dog, absolutely. That wraps up today's review. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more deep dives into the best products that make life better for you and your pets. See you in the next one.